Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We have a same freight train. Let's check it out. Yep, they're all there today. Yep, that's a short one. Yeah, that's the shortest freight train. And this is only the East Titusville train is all we're going to get for the Oil City. This is something we don't see every day. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on to... Oh, yeah. Yeah, the bumps. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train at Drakewell. Talk to you later.